to show you guys the finished project. I hope you had an amazing time with your family. I know me and my mom had an amazing time making the banner. We made some cute little cupcakes. And we loved decorating the tree. We also made the little candy holder. And the candy cone. And I got a little creative using the extra paper that I had and made some presents for Miss Berenice and Miss Amber. I hope you had a wonderful time, and I'm so grateful to be part of the Ballet Papier Creative Ambassador family.